Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the reverse blade rotation. Reverse mode doesn't cut the ingredients because it uses the dual part of the knife. It just rotates in the other direction with the dual knife dual part going forward, and that's great if you want to add some ingredients that you don't want cut but you want the device to still mix it, and yeah, for that you can use that mode. It's also helpful for cooking a chunky soup or stew, so that it's more it's just you can then revert the direction multiple times during cooking to just heat it up better by changing the direction of mixing during mixing. So let's go to the manual mode, and now to enable reverse option, you can click here in order to revert the knives. I also personally use the reverse one for crushing ice because I don't want the sharp knife to get dull from cutting the ice. I don't use the reverse mode for things like nuts or chocolate because it wouldn't be as effective. But for ice, I can crush it with the reverse one, so it doesn't, so the knife doesn't get dull. Now, once I set the speed, let's set it to maybe 1 just for now. I could start, and then it will start mixing, and you can change it during cooking. You can just change it like that, and that's what I recommend doing with a soup. For example, you can set the soup to like level 3, let's say, and then or less, depending also on what chunks of ingredient. Like if you have large chunks of ingredients, you may want to set it to 1 or a half, but if it's a more liquidy soup, you may set it to 3, and then to make sure it's evenly heated up, you can, during cooking, after let's say like 2 minutes, you can revert it to just mix it. Of course, you'd have to enable the temperature as well for heating up, but yeah, and then you can do it again if you want, just to more evenly mix. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.